I'm ready.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Wait, start
you.
over. I want cha-chas.
We didn't get to the cha-cha part, did we?
Yeah,
We're not there.
Yes, we
Okay.
will do it.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Nathan.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
She's Kumba.
Rah, rah, rah.
Do the hula.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Make a good wish.
So silly.
All right. Good job.
Love you, baby.
You're 6.
Do you love the cake?
Yes.
You glad Mommy got it for you? It's the smallest hockey
Let me
cake I
wait
ever
that
saw.
one.
Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. I got wax on me, honey. Ow.
Did Mommy almost burn you? Taking this to social services right now.
You have to take these out.
All right, we need to turn the light back on.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Are you going to save the little guys?
Hold on. Yeah, the guys
Randy,
come
where's
out
the
of the
light?
plastic. It's right around the corner there. Here. The guys come out of that plastic, so you can just. There you go.
That's cool.
Oh, they're on little discs. I didn't know that.
Oh my gosh, this is all clean.
Yeah, it is.
Ew,
the
don't
case.
like it. It's just a
You want a piece of cake, Dad?
pretend person.
Dad, want a piece of cake?
Is this
No,
Miller?
I don't. Too much whipped cream.
Daddy's this
It's
Miller.
buttercream.
Well, buddy,
Can't be Miller.
got your number in hockey, 0.
So we can wash these
Oh
off.
my
and you can
gosh,
eat
you're me. Thank you. I'm skating around with them.
them. You guys want some?
Skating around with them, yes,
Yeah.
please.
You gonna have some, Nathan?
Oh my gosh, first of all, I just
Try
saw some
it.
blue.
I bet you it's yummy.
I'm sure you don't want a
Look
piece,
at this
Dad?
waxy part.
I'm gonna run back up and catch the news.
Nathan,
Walk it.
Oh my gosh, look what just happened.
say bye and thank you to Grandpa.
See you later, alligator.
Can I get a while? So I can thank you so much.
Good boy.
Have a good time.
I will. I hope I do. With my presents. Mommy,
Yes, dear.
Careful, it's getting very slippery out there.
I
Is it
want
freezing?
that.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, I want that.
We're supposed to get a huge storm tomorrow night.
You want
You
Foot of
want a
snow.
piece, don't you?
Just have a bite.
Tomorrow night or tonight?
Tomorrow night, we're supposed to get a foot of
You know,
snow.
it's kind of bad luck not to eat your own
Well,
birthday
now
cake.
that you mention that, I guess I did hear it about
Yeah.
at the
Daddy, let
light,
me have a
at
bite.
the,
I will
What, the
have
evening
that
news?
bite.
at the TV
It's gonna be
Yeah.
mine, but I'm gonna
forecast.
have
Yep.
a bite.
They sounded pretty serious.
Mm-hmm.
Let's